Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Ron Recording. I'm doing a quick audio test between the GoPro Hero 7 Black with the Saramonic mic and the GoPro Hero 8 Black with no extra audio input. I want you all to listen, so I kind of show you some things around the backyard here. Take a look at the video as well, the picture, see which one you like better. Have the GoPro Hero 7 Black here, and I have the GoPro Hero 8 Black here. Just trying to do a little comparison between the audio and the visual, see which one might look a little better. Let me know what you think in the comments below. So let me show you around the backyard real quick. Here we have the maple tree. I did not get it pruned this year. I will next year. And here we go. We got two Italian plum trees here. They've been here about 4 years now. This one and this one. You can see the buds on them. We have a pear tree right here. I trimmed this one up myself. Then over here I have a persimmons tree. See the buds on here as well. These won't be ready to pick until late October, early November sometime. They're always fun, kind of a rare fruit, but fun to pick and share. And then lastly, I have the golden plum tree, or yellow plum, some people say, on the other side of the fence. I did not prune that up, so I'll probably have to do some pruning throughout the year on this one, but those won't be ready to pick until mid-July when it gets really hot. Need a hot spell. Let me know what you think of the audio. The GoPro Hero 7 Black here with the Saramonic mic attached to it. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. And the audio of the GoPro Hero 8 Black. What do you think of that audio? Let me know what you think of the video quality between the two. Hero 7 and the Hero 8. Always interested in knowing what people think. Appreciate your comments. Hope you'll subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. I hope you will. And I'm going to try to create more content this year and share it with you all. I appreciate everyone who does watch. And we'll see you soon.